The best years of your life have just begun, and they'll be every bit as good as you've dreamt they'll be. Near or far, summer or winter, from the mud pools of Rotorua to clear Canadian lakes, the warmth of the sun to cosy log fires, next to the ocean or atop a mountain, in the middle of nature or surrounded by man, embracing history or making it happen, astride a bicycle or on a safari, riding the thermals or the currents, a second honeymoon or a family reunion. Whatever the reason, whenever you like, great accommodation in some of the most beautiful and sought-after areas in the world is now within your reach for the rest of your life. Because you have just stepped out of spiralling inflation and into affordable relaxation. Welcome